Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. Out here on a very windy Friday. We're going to take up the EC 1500. And folks, just because you don't see the 1500 on the Horizon Hobbies website right now, take heart. I think you'll find in the near future they will bring it back. So here we go. We've already done our range test. We got right, we got left, right, left, up, we got down, right and left. All right. I'm running, what am I running? I'm running a Spectrum 1500. Spectrum 1500. I'm running a Spectrum 5000 4S center. Well, that's a good looking bird there now. Have to go underneath the sun though. Try to keep from blinding y'all. Of course, we're going to be going with the wind now, so she's definitely going to want to pick up some speed.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
All right. Definitely will not be needing flaps. To land her. Boy, she sounds so good too. Boy, she does. Yeah. Whoa. That was accidental. I can't claim that for me. Yeah, she was coming right at me, wasn't she? Maybe I will need to have some flaps, even though that was kind of scary.
4 minutes. Landing flaps.
Haven't flown this plane in forever. There. That's a little bit better. A little bit better there. Yeah, I don't want to, really do not want to hit myself with my own plane. Call me crazy. All right.
Landing flaps.
But like I've always say, if you haven't flown a plane in a while, all you want to do is do landings and takeoffs, landings and takeoffs. Whoa. And we're going to do that again. This time we're going to do it with no flaps. A little bit scarier. Well, goodness. Goodness gracious. Still got 3 minutes. We'll go with the wind this time.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Well, that color makes it easy to see. That orange and white. Sorry if she's so far away. course, I am trying to make this plane land on a cross breeze. Well, she bounced and she flew, and she bounced and she flew. It's really too windy to be flying, but there again, when does that ever stop me?
Landing flaps.
Oh, I'm way too high. I'm all right now. On that rudder to keep her straight. Really don't need flaps, that's for sure. But I tell you though, this plane is an absolute blast to fly. She is. Up, up, cutting grass. Up, cutting grass. Okay, well, I don't want to push her. Motor off. Because I will tell you, folks, this plane here, these blades, these big, I don't know, they're called Cimarron, or, yeah, that front wheel's buried in there. Cimarron or whatever they're, scimitar, whatever blades they are. They will cut you. They will cut you. They'll cut you just sitting there. They'll cut you looking at them. They are sharp, sharp, sharp. All right, so we gotta. Yeah, they'll cut you just looking at them. I've cut myself on them just holding them, just holding the. Now this plane loves its rudder, so don't be stingy with a rudder. Do not be stingy with a rudder. If you're hearing that beeping sound, that's just me making little micro corrections with a rudder. Wow, is it windy? Windy, windy, windy. All right, well, we're gonna do one more landing and takeoff. Or takeoff and landing, actually. She's actually a very efficient plane too. Boy, that wind is really bucking her around. Of course, actually those are little sounds you're hearing are maybe making little micro corrections. Man, that wind. Whew! It's flying right into the wind. So, well, you know what? We'll try to get one more good one. We're gonna take that. Yeah, we're gonna take that. That wind is so unpredictable right now. All right, folks, well, there you go. That's the EC 1500. Obviously one very sturdy plane. Before you touch it.
Motor on.
Now, I had my timer set for 6 minutes, and I ran for 5 minutes and 51 seconds because I got 9 seconds left. Put my transmitter down, my motor is off. Brought my battery checker with me out on the field, yay! Okay, let's see what kind of juice we got left. Just to show you, well, you watched the whole flight. I hope you watched the whole flight. And let's just see. And this was the bind and fly, so you can see where I have my 5000 4S just barely almost touching the front steering servo. You can see it right there. That's where I've got it. CG's perfect right there. So let's see what kind of, this is my field one. 42% left, and I was flying her pretty hard. So not bad. Well, I say just doing landings and takeoffs. So 6 minutes, you'd have about 38 to 40% left. Not bad at all. All right, folks, there you go. That's the EC 1500 cargo plane. Do not be surprised if Horizon Hobby does, look at the wind turning the blades. If Horizon Hobby doesn't bring this back with the upgraded new smart receiver and smart telemetry enabled ESCs. Don't be surprised that doesn't happen, because they made many of these planes. They got a lot of parts available for it, and it's very popular. So I'm pretty sure it's going to come back. Don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure. All right, folks, don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.